Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to run two apps at the same time on Android phone. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Have you ever wanted to use two apps on your Android mobile device at the same time? If you're so, you're in luck. Most new Android phones from over a dozen different manufacturers now allow you to run tab in split screen mode, which lets you use and view the but both at once. So keep in mind that running apps in split screen mode can deplete your battery faster. Furthermore, not all apps support with this split screen mode. Some apps like games require full screen functionality, so now I will show you how to split screen and use two apps at the same time on your phone. So here you can just open your first app that you want to use at the same time. Now you can just open the recent app like this. You can just tap on hold on the app and you'll find there is an option like this, split screen. You can just tap on that. Now you can choose if you want to open the other app. Maybe you want to open Threads. So now, as you can see, I am using two apps. I'm running two apps at the same time. It's Instagram and also Threads. So I can watch a video from Instagram while scrolling on my Threads. If you want to change to another app, you can just go back like this until your home screen, and let's open maybe Spotify. But as you can see in here, not all apps are support to open in split screen. So simplified. So that is how to running two apps at the same time on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.